How to enable or disable boot manager in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First is run command prompt as an administrator, like this. Tap on yes. Now you will have to write a command which is bcd edit slash set and inside curly braces write boot manager, boot mgr, and then write display boot menu and then set it to yes. Enter it. Now this operation completed successfully text will appear. After that bcd edit again slash set and again in curly braces boot manager, and now what you will have to do is set timeout to 30, and after that your boot manager will be enabled. In order to disable it, all you have to do is type the same code and then instead of 30 just press 0 and it will be disabled. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.